So as you all know, when I came here, I didn't know that it was a school, that we were about to be instructors. So on the first day, I was like, oh, no, I can't do this. This is too much. But I'm so happy that I stuck with it because it really taught me a lot. And and meeting all of you guys have been amazing. So thank you for this experience.
What could I say? I have no words. I am very much happy this place. Thank you all, Vaisji. Thank you everyone.
Thank you for everything. That's all. I feel with yoga, what I realized was wasn't only to keep me healthy, but I've like started this path of self-realization internally also. So I feel very good and excited to explore more. And thank you everyone for your support, love, kindness. I really had a good time. Thank you.
It's life transformation for me. I learned a lot here. Everyone is good here, and especially all the teachers have a lots of knowledge. Sant Prakash ji and Mahesh ji, they both are like an ocean of knowledge. And I took few drops, and I want to take more, and I will definitely come again. Thank you.
When I think about this experience, I think about life being challenging, being not always smooth, but then I go back to you guys. Ooh, I'm gonna cry. And I think how important it is to have people who smile at you, people who are kind to you, who will take their time to organize things and to make us feel welcome and to make our day a little bit easier. The teachers in here, I feel like everyone feels that. They are absolutely great. Some so young and still so knowledgeable. And I think this is a big message of thank you. So life is challenging, not always go smoothly, but it's beautiful because we share with people that we love, that we care about. Thank you.
So blissful to be here with these all beautiful souls. It's kinda Brazilian. I like this song. I'm so happy. I'm so thankful. I love you all.
We love you too.
Thank you.
Personally, I was in a very different space in my head before coming here, and I wasn't very happy with that. 21 days literally changed my life, and I know that is something in my hands and something that I have to work upon, but now at least I have tools, I have understanding, I have guidance, and thank our gurus for that. Thank you so much.
I don't think I can look at anybody because I'll just I was really scared to come here, when I was in the airport in the US in line for a flight like halfway across the world. I was like, what am I doing? Where am I going? What's going on? But the experience I've had here has just been above and beyond anything I could have expected. I just want to say thank you, everyone, for sharing everything with me, your languages, your cultures, your wisdom, your kindness. Thank you for taking care of me so well. I love you all.
Well, I came here after I had a very challenging period of time in my life when I took care of my grandma until she passed away for a few months. And then I was not the Michal that I know I am. I did not have any energy. I was not happy. I'm always a happy person. Something was wrong, and I didn't know what to do because I always have a solution. And I didn't practice yoga for 6 months, and I felt like this is not my body. And I just decided to come here, and I don't know, like I looked for so many schools, and some, like the universe chose like this specific place, and I'm so thankful. I had an amazing experience of body and soul, and for the first time in my life, after practicing a few years yoga, finally I understand yoga philosophy, which I really missed. And I thank you all. You're amazing people, and as you said, like different cultures, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy, and I hope to see you soon. You can come visit in Israel, and I really hope that in a year I'll be back here. This is my goal now, and good luck to everybody. I love you.
Yeah, so first of all, I didn't want to come actually. I came because of Preeti. So
प्रीति के लिए clap करा
so it was like so it was like she said means I want to do yoga course, you come along, you can do work from home from there. So that was initial. Then she said, if you're anyway coming, why don't you do course? So that's how it started, and I want to thank her for that, so that I came here and met so many new people. It was really nice meeting, and obviously we learned a lot. Few things we knew, but we didn't know the depth. We knew that yoga is important, but why no one said us. We knew a lot of things, but we didn't know the depth, the meaning behind it. Those things we learned, and obviously the people around us, they are really good. Means I don't remember any batch, such kind of batch I was part of, where I enjoyed this much, and all the teachers, they were really good. Really, I enjoyed a lot, learned something, and definitely I will remember this forever. Yeah, thank you.
So in everyone's life, first of all, thank you so much. You guys are lovely. So I feel in everyone's life there are this is such a short life, right? I mean, so short yet so long, and we all have these pockets of peace, pleasures, and fun. This was my pocket of fun, pleasure, peace, and it had everything in it. So thank you, gurus, and everyone here, and I wish you all the best, and keep finding those pockets.
I come here in 2015. I saw Rishikesh. It was amazing for me, the spirit, the calmness, how you feel here. In this time I travel around other places, but I didn't find this place, a place such calm. You feel really good, and all the people around. So I told myself I will come back one day here, I don't know when, and I will do yoga like everybody, because I already practice yoga, but I didn't know a lot, and I know it make me good, it make me feel good. And when I come, really I find myself in yoga. I find the things, the way who yoga is presented, it's really, it's in the same like my mind, like I find myself, and really I love and I learn a lot, because even it's similar like you can see the things every time differently. Every time you learn, every time, even if you learn yoga, tomorrow if you learn, you will see new things. Every time we learn, we know that we don't know, and this is give us more to learn. This is part of learning, and I for yoga, and I love the classes. We are here all helping each other, training each other. We care about each other, and really before, even today, 2 days before, I feel I miss you, all of you. Really, I feeling like even I tell, I will miss you. Really, because it was a good energy.
2 days, it will be like
Yes.
yes. After teaching, and then a few days off, and then other batchman, but you don't find that much connection with the people.
Yeah.
So when you're going, it's like an empty space for people.
Yes.
They are going to face it.
So really, I miss all of you. I miss the atmosphere, how we care of each other, how we help, how we are standing each other, and our teacher, they are wonderful. I love all of them. They give us good knowledge. The way how they give the teaching, it's really good. It was fun. It was a lot of good energy, and also we are in discipline. This is important. It's really good. It's not like Yusuf Surab, you come or not come. You are really here. You are in discipline since the first day, and it is important, but because not all school they are like this with discipline. So that's all, and thank you for everybody, and thank you for all teachers, and I will miss you all.
My heart is so full with the love, with the kindness, the energy, the warmth that I have received here. I was getting equally emotional when you all were just sharing your experience. Definitely I'm going to miss this. I think it's, definitely the course was there, but it's about the people. This batch is really special, as Pawan said, and we're going to miss each and everybody in the class. The teachers, all the teachers are just wonderful. The teamwork yesterday, everybody showed. I mean, wow, really nice. And it's been a very nice journey. I mean, as Guruji said, we'll go back to our lives. Our different life will start. And I definitely want to come back here, and how I wish we could come back with the same batch, same set of people, enjoy, have fun, because it's not possible. But yeah, that's the desire. I was telling Pawan, it's about the people everybody has made. It's really wonderful. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot.